Hello everyone! So we have yet again another IPSY unboxing, and this one is their, I don't know what it's called. Like I said in the last video, I need to learn more about what their new tier systems are because I am lost on it. It's changed so much over the last 10 years. All right, so here are the tiers. You have the original, which is the first little bag that I have where you have all the samples. Then you have the extra, and then you have the ultimate. So we are gonna be doing the extra unboxing. I didn't purchase the ultimate one. I only did the original and the extra. So I asked you guys on Instagram a while back, like if I should do just the original, should I do both of them? And all of you guys said basically was do both of them. So that's what we're doing. And we're gonna see what I got. I've been really excited because it's been sitting here for a little bit, but I was traveling in Tahoe, then I got hit with COVID. I've had a month, you guys, I've had a month. But they send over the art of every day. So here is your little booklet right here. And we've got just like little sneak peeks and like how to use the products, all of that stuff. So let's get into it. Ooh, Laura Geller. I got a full-size product from Laura Geller. Guys, remember they're like baked bronzer or like baked highlighters that were so good. I love those. So this is the Wearables Pinking of You 12 multi-finish eyeshadows. Oh, this looks really pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous and they're huge. These are such beautiful blush tones. Like this would go so well with what I'm wearing right now. Oh my gosh, I just live for like shades like that just to help set the eyeshadow. You got some really great transition shades in here. That one's really pretty. I always go for the light ones. Let's do a shimmer. Oh, these are really pretty just to kind of pop as in like a pop of color. Oh, that one's so, you could just top that on top of any color and just make it a glitter. And then we've got a really nice kind of like camel brown right here. These are swatching so nicely too. They feel like satin. This one is really pretty. It's a blush pink with like silver sparkle in it. Would be so gorgeous, like all over my lid to go. This like top is perfect too. By the way, this is like one of the Aritzia tops. It's kind of like a Poochie like knockoff. And it is so cute and so flattering. I actually just wore it last night for like a girls' night. Oh, I love this top. It's so pretty. It just like screams summer. But this palette would go really, really well with it. So I love this. I'm super excited about that. Next up, we have one of my favorite primers. I have been through so many of these Smashbox primers. This is the original one. They just sent me all of the ones in their whole collection, like the green one, all the moisturizing one, the blurring one, all of those. But this is legit my favorite primer. So I love this. And we got a full size. That's so cool. And then we have, ooh, a blush concoction. It's a liquid blush. It's from this brand called Be Your Own Desire, and it's in Passionate Coral. It looks more like it's gonna be like a stain, as you can see. I would love this, like if I was doing like a no makeup look for the summertime, that would be really pretty because you know that's not gonna go anywhere. It's like definitely looking like a stain. So that is gorgeous right there. And then we have Beauty for Real Sun Sculpt. Oh, a weightless bronzer duo. It's matte and shimmer powder bronzer. Oh, these are so pretty too. Oh, that's a good one for the summertime. I love that. It's like a nice cool tone. I don't think I really have any much more space on my hand here, but look at that. That's a really nice bronzer. And then we have the shimmer too, which you could like do as like a little topper just to bronze and like get a little bit more glowy. But that is really pretty right there. I like that a lot. And it's got really good color payoff too. And then last but not least, I got some brushes, and these are from Mischo. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm always like curious to see if I'm gonna, you know, see like some of the OG brands from IPSY, like from back when I was there with them. Definitely the Smashbox and Laura Geller, but the other ones I have never heard before. So we've got some new brushes. Oh, this looks really nice. This is a cream and liquid blush brush right here. I was getting tongue-tied there for a second. And then we have the powder blush brush too, where this one's actually a lot less dense. So this is just gonna like disperse really nicely. And then this one's a little bit more dense. So you're gonna get a little bit more color payoff from it. So that is real. These are really nice. I like. All right, so that is everything in my IPSY Extra box. That was definitely a win. I have to say, this eyeshadow palette right here from Laura Geller is just really pretty, and these are colors that I would wear. So I love that. I love it when I get products that I'm like, oh yes, this is my color like palette. This is what I would use. Makes me so happy. And then also a full size of my favorite freaking primer that I've been through so many of these with. So good. So anyways, I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to get a closer look at anything. I'll have like the link to IPSY if you guys want to check it out. If you guys like kind of stopped doing it and you've been out of the loop of it and you want to get back into it, we could do it together. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.